Your debit card is sitting right now in your wallet, and you think it's safe. Your PIN is memorized, never written down. The physical card has never left your possession. But while you sleep tonight, a criminal halfway around the world could be draining your checking account. No card, no PIN, no trace, and by the time your bank statement arrives, the money is gone. I have spent over 2 decades studying financial fraud, banking infrastructure, and cybercrime methodology. What I am about to show you is not theory. These are documented operational scams that have stolen hundreds of millions of dollars from people just like you. People who thought they were careful. People who thought the card in their wallet was enough protection. It is not. And after this video, you will understand exactly why. Here is what modern financial criminals understand that most people do not. Your debit card is just a plastic interface. The real target has always been the underlying data. The 16-digit number, the expiration date, the routing and account numbers that power your entire financial life. Once a criminal has that data, your physical card becomes completely irrelevant. Let me show you exactly how they get it. The first method is one of the most psychologically sophisticated attacks in operation today, the digital wallet provisioning exploit. You receive a text from your bank about a suspicious transaction. Moments later, your phone rings. The caller ID shows your bank's name. A representative tells you someone is trying to make a large purchase in another state. To stop it, they say they're sending a 6-digit verification code. Just read it back to confirm your identity. You comply. You feel relieved. What actually happened? That caller was a criminal. They had already obtained your card number, expiration date, and security code from a corporate data breach. What they needed was your help getting past one final security wall. The 2-factor authentication required to load your card into Apple Pay or Google Wallet on their phone. The code you read aloud? That was your bank asking you to authorize the card provisioning. You just handed a stranger a digital copy of your debit card. They can now walk into any retail store and tap to pay using your money. They don't need your card. They don't need your PIN. You gave them everything they needed in a 4-second phone call. The rule is simple. Banks send verification codes to authorize actions, not cancel them. Never read a code to any caller who contacts you first. Next is the free trial subscription trap. You sign up for a $4.99 shipping offer on a health supplement or streaming service, buried in the fine print. A clause stating that by not canceling within 14 days, you've consented to a $99 monthly billing cycle. The company doesn't need your PIN for recurring charges. They only needed your card number once. Now they have a permanent billing relationship with your account. The solution? Use virtual burner cards for online trials. These allow you to set a maximum spend of $5. When the $99 charge attempts to process 30 days later, the virtual card declines it automatically, and your primary account is never touched. Then there's the fake hotel booking agent, a scam that's moved aggressively into the travel industry. Criminals purchase paid advertisements on search engines, bidding on terms like hotel reservations or airline booking. Their ad appears at the top of your search results. You call the number. A professional sounding agent takes your travel dates, room preference, and then your full card details to secure the reservation. The moment you hang up, those digits are being typed into a payment gateway the criminal controls. Your physical card stays in your pocket. This is called a card not present transaction. Merchants only need the 16-digit number and expiration date. The fix: never use search results to find travel phone numbers. Type the hotel or airline's URL directly into your browser and call the number on their verified website only. Now let's talk about something that most people never consider. Your bank account's true foundation: the routing number and account number, not the card. These 2 numbers appear at the bottom of every paper check you write. If a criminal gets them, they can initiate ACH transfers, pay their own credit card bills using your funds, or purchase goods online, all processed through the automated clearinghouse network, which your bank approves because the numbers match an active account. 60-year-old Patricia mailed a check to pay her water bill. Someone intercepted the envelope, copied the numbers at the bottom, and used them to pay $3 toward a personal auto loan. She still had her card. She never shared her PIN, but her account was attacked at the architectural level. Monitor your statements for any unauthorized ACH withdrawal and report discrepancies within 60 days. Federal law protects you, but only if you act in time. Peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle carry a significant hidden risk. When you link your debit card to these platforms, you're creating an authorized third-party access point to your bank. If a scammer hijacks your payment app account through phishing or by porting your phone number to a device they control, they gain indirect access to your funds without ever knowing your actual card number. The app already holds the authorization. Disable debit card links on these platforms when not in active use, and always secure them with an authenticator app rather than SMS verification. 2 more methods deserve your attention. Malicious browser extensions. those convenient coupon or discount finders, can operate as form-grabbing malware. When you enter your card number at checkout, the extension records your keystrokes before encryption and transmits that data to an external server. Thousands of card numbers are bundled and sold on dark web markets. Review every browser extension you have installed right now. If a simple coupon tool is requesting permission to read and change all data on websites you visit, remove it immediately. And the most alarming method of all, number 1, the brute force bin attack. Your card is in your wallet. You haven't clicked a single suspicious link. Your bank has not been breached. But your account is being drained anyway. Here's the mechanism. The first 6 to 8 digits of every debit card are publicly known. They identify your bank and card network. Criminals take that prefix, run it through the Loon algorithm, a mathematical checksum formula, and generate tens of thousands of mathematically valid card numbers. Automated botnets then test those numbers against low-security merchant sites in small $1 increments. When one approves, they've confirmed a real, active card. They then test the 60 possible expiration date combinations. The computer handles this in seconds. No interaction from you was required. Your only defense? Set up real-time transaction alerts on every charge, no matter how small. A $1 charge from an unknown merchant is almost always the precursor to a larger attack. If this information has given you clarity you didn't have before this video, then I have done my job. But here is what I need from you. Hit subscribe right now. The threats to your financial security are evolving faster than most people realize, and I will continue to break down exactly how these systems work and how to stop them. One more thing, drop a comment below telling me what city or country you're watching from. I read every single one, and I want to know where this community is growing. Your awareness is your strongest defense. Now you have it.